Medical assistants are an important component of the healthcare industry. They perform assorted administrative and clinical duties with the direction of a physician to provide patient care. Medical assistants are often responsible for taking vital signs, recording patient histories, scheduling appointments, preparing laboratory samples, and billing and insurance claims. The Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts that medical assistant employment will increase much faster than the average of all occupations, at a rate of 23% growth from 2018 to 2028. Remington College's Medical Assisting Diploma program can be completed in as few as 9 months. Course topics include health science essentials, laboratory procedures, specialty examinations, and patient care and communication. The modern medical assisting labs at Remington College allow students to train under the supervision of industry-experienced instructors. The program also includes an externship within the curriculum, where students can practice the skills they've learned in the medical assisting program within a real medical setting.